Hello, I'm Apsum and I welcome you to this video. This is a small experiment that we are doing here. We take a simple question and put it across to professionals who have experience in that domain. These professionals are authors, publishers, life coach or bloggers. Basically someone who has been there, done that. Purpose is to understand what does it take to be successful according to them. Each video will have one question and 2 to 8 subject matter experts who will be sharing their experience with us. The question that I am taking in this video is, what does it take to be a good author? Our guests in this video are Arun, Suchismita and Neetu. Arun is an internationally acclaimed author, speaker and cybersecurity expert. He has the distinction of having his name entered in Limca Book of Records and is also recognized in the Indian Book of Records, Global Book of Records, and Unique World Records for over 145 books that he has authored. Suchismita is a data scientist by profession. She is a storyteller and a public speaker by passion. Neetu is creative content writer and freelancer. Let us hear from each one of them.
Hi. I believe there are lots of things which count making you a successful author. But I personally value two things. One is research and second is consistency. However, you feel that you are perfect in your field, but research is very essential. There will be always a few things which you don't know. And consistency is also required. If you write for one day, take a break for 3 days, then again write for one day, that doesn't work. Even you write for half an hour daily, but do it regularly. So according to me, research and consistency, these are two main things which contribute to be an author.
I cannot imagine a day without writing. When I first start writing a technical blog, I find out where do I lack, which areas needs more clarity, and at the end of the blog I get an informative content which is explained in a very structured way. This gives me confidence, and which is quite impossible without writing. When it comes to the story and the poem writing, I can say like that this is the best way to express my feelings and opinions. A proper analysis on the various aspects of the characters, finding out the suitable words to explain those, and a smooth transition from event to event are the few key areas on which I put importance while writing a story.
Speaking from my own experience, I consider reading to be an excellent habit. But to become a writer, you need to do more than reading and writing. There are so many things around us from which we can learn, and I believe that to be a writer, one needs to definitely work on their empathy. They need to work on their observation skills. Reading definitely should be a ritual. You should read every day, and then you should start writing every day too. Take notes of everything that you think about. Sometimes the best of the thoughts struck us when we don't have a paper to write. A writer definitely must write on a piece of paper, must have a pen. It is necessary. I mean, that's my personal opinion, and it definitely helps you work a lot. And apart from that, there are a lot of other things that you can consider.
There you are. For Arun, it's consistency and research that matters most. Sushmita spoke about characterization and choice of words. And for Neetu, it was regular reading, observation, and your readiness to put down your ideas on a piece of paper. I will just add one simple point to this list, and it is try and spend some time in understanding your target audience or the readers for whom you are writing. It is imperative that they understand your work as you would like them to understand. Do share your thoughts and your inputs for emerging authors who can be better, how they can be better. Let me know your inputs on being a good author. It helps community to do better. Thanks for watching this video. Please recommend questions that I can pick in my future videos. Stay happy, stay safe. Thank you.